Welcome to the Center for Graduate Studies in LA, where your Master of Physician Assistant education can become a reality. You'll practice for real-life scenarios at our simulation outpatient rooms, designed to give you that true-to-life experience. They mimic the setups you'll find on the job in healthcare institutions. You'll also get inpatient experience with OR and ER simulation rooms that let you practice for hospital environments. And when it comes time to study for your courses, the CGS campus provides spacious study areas for group or solo study sessions. Meet with your professors when you need them and get one-on-one support every step of your educational journey. As a WCU student, you'll have a variety of departments at your disposal, from admissions to financial aid to student affairs. We are here to help when you need us. Take that next step today and pursue your Master of Physician Assistant education at WCU. Visit westcoastuniversity.edu to learn more.